Hey guys, so we're on the Allure of the Seas right now, Royal Caribbean. I wanted to give you guys a room tour just so you guys can see how the balcony room looks. So I'm going to go ahead, show you guys. As soon as you walk in, you have your bathroom here, so I'll show you guys this first. Now the bathroom, in my opinion, it's small. It has decent space here, like if you're at the sink, you have your toilet. You got some shelf space here. Comes with cups here. Underneath, got some stuff you can put here, and then some cabinets underneath here as well. Look like they have some sanitary disposable bags and a garbage can in here as well. There's also a garbage can here. Some hooks for towels if you have wet clothes. You see, you got clothes up here now. Now the shower. So the shower is pretty small. The shower is pretty small. It has these sliding doors. Kind of makes it look like it's wet already. The glass is made that way. Shower, good for one person, barely. Got some things in here you can put your soap on. It actually comes with hair and body wash, salt, and breeze, double duty. Alright, the shower actually has pretty good pressure. I do like that. It has some hooks in here for your rags. But overall, shower is pretty small. Definitely if you are traveling with small children, you may want to get the family size balcony room, because I believe some of those do have tubs in there. But just walking around, when you first come in, do have the closet space here. Little end tables here. Guys, look, they made us a frog. Pretty neat. We got some space here. More hanging stuff for when you go swimming. Moving right along, we have another end table here. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention, there are not a lot of outlets here. So coming over here by the desk, we have some outlets here. There's only 2 outlets. What we did discover is that there is an outlet underneath the bed. What we did was we bought an extension cord and we have it underneath the bed. You can't see it right now, but it is under there. So we are able to charge our phones and everything, you know, while we're sleeping on the end table here. All right, we got the couch here. Like I said, desk space. Another end table, or this is like a center console table. Some space here. There's a fridge. Got some drawer space. There is a hair dryer in here, some tissue, more drawer space. Ironic thing, I was looking for a hair dryer yesterday and I didn't look in the drawers, and there's one right there. Some more cabinet space here, storage. And then some more storage space down here. So as far as like cabinet space, there's plenty of places where you can put small little knickknacks. You can put, you know, your toiletries. There's plenty of hanging spaces here. The room is not huge, but it is definitely perfect for 2 people. The bed, I'm sure, pulls out into a couch. So if you did have young children here, that may work as well. But I definitely recommend like a family size balcony room if you are bringing children onto the cruise. Going out to the balcony, this is a pretty decent sized balcony here.
Plenty of space.
Plenty of space out here.
Space out
I actually love it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you a quick view of the room in case you guys were interested on coming on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas.